Pipedrive has great native integrations which allow you to sync your emails, calendar, and contacts, for example. And with all that set up, your team is pretty much good to go and ready to start closing deals. But of course, we do realize here at Pipedrive that there could be some specific functionality you're looking for that may not be built into Pipedrive just yet. So just when you thought Pipedrive couldn't become any cooler, we're happy to tell you that Pipedrive integrates with over 100 third-party providers which can take your Pipedrive experience to the next level. Whether you're looking for phone systems, invoicing, or proposal tools, or maybe even perhaps some marketing automation, we've got them all. Just head over to our marketplace via the Apps and Integrations menu in Pipedrive. Find any apps you want to link to Pipedrive and explore their documentation inside the marketplace. Once you found the right one, you can just hit Install, and now it connects to your Pipedrive account. It's worth noting that most of these apps aren't built by Pipedrive, but by our third-party partners. All documentation around setup and costs and their support can be found on the marketplace, and besides that, our own awesome Pipedrive support team will be happy to help you with any questions. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Bring your Pipedrive experience to the next level with over 100 available integrations.